A civil authority has issued a civil danger warning for the entire state of Texas until further notice. Calgary citizen currently in the state of Texas, the following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas State Police Department, Homeland Security, National Guard, and Border Patrol. There have been reports across the Dallas-Fort Worth area that a citizen from Calgary, Alberta, province in Canada, is currently in the state of Texas and is to be considered extremely dangerous. Shelter in place immediately. Shelter in place immediately and lock all windows and doors. Do not approach the Calgary citizen, no matter what. Stay inside. If the Calgary citizen attempts to enter your home, do not answer the door, nor make any sound in order for the Calgary citizen to not instigate you on letting them inside. Texas Governor Rick Perry has issued a shelter-in-place order and state of emergency for the entire state of Texas until further notice. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, or television outlets for updates on this dangerous situation.
And we welcome you back to KMKF Channel 12 Weather. We just got back from the emergency alert system issued at the request of the Texas state government and other military and law enforcement divisions. This civil danger warning will be in effect until further notice. We now return to your regular programming here at KMKF.